Recently celebrated a milestone in surgeries. Tell us about it.
We sure did.
We're gonna do this lesson today.
We opened the very first.
I got a little bit to do, just a little bit. We're gonna take a quick video.
We are in our 14th year of operations, and we have done
We're gonna
100,000 surgeries.
let's see. We're gonna how to make a loud sound of the saxophone. It sounds super funny. Of this saxophone tone, of this tenor saxophone tone.
And less animals roaming, those numbers go down, and that's what we want.
Into this saxophone tone.
This is the one true thing.
So anyway, you try to get to consider the different.
And prevent more unwanted animals
We.
And where are you all located?
But
and where can people find more information?
we did see that the government did gargling, and it's time what I say to do. What anytime you did, we have to make a laugh. The how to me to try to do this. So let's try to do this. High C sharp, high B, high A,
Thanks so much for joining
high
us.
G,
Thank you for all that you do to keep our furry friends safe.
high F sharp, high E,
Week's Pet of the Week from the Montgomery Humane Society. Plus, we'll have a
high D.
with Amanda Curran. Stay with us.
Take this octave key off. Middle C sharp, B, A, G, low F sharp, low E, low E flat,
if you or a loved one has been caught while riding a motorcycle,
low
marquee.
low C, low C sharp, low B, and low B flat.
I'm Bobby Tillery, and I resign here.
Let's try to make it. Let's try the high note first. How to make a laugh? How to make a laugh sound of the saxophone? Here we go.
Come see us. He was in a cast for weeks.
All right, let's do that again. Here we go. One more time. Yeah, that's how you make this sound. Okay, key. That's how you make it into low B. Excellent.
To learn more about speech-to-speech relay service, go to Alabama.
Let's do the whole thing with the notes of the tone of the saxophone. How to make a laugh with the saxophone laugher.
I appreciate
Perfect. Excellent.
Cool story about Japan's most famous and legendary. The most important lesson of all. Sam Brock reveals a story of his.
This is how you to get the saxophone laugher. How to make a laugh saxophone sound. It sounds super funny. We need to anytime you want, and just go to the website at JohnnyFreemanSaxophonist.com. Go my TikTok, my Facebook, my Twitter, my Instagram, and YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.